Okay, this is Euan eating the tiniest bit of Naga ghost chili. Shows how much you got, Ian.
I was assuming the
Wait. That's like the tiniest bit ever. Go on then. See how you have to chew it. You have to chew it. Chew it. Keep chewing it. You swallow it.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
My tongue is burning.
Do you reckon you can hold that up though? Is it not as bad? Is it hot?
Yeah.
You just get some milk.
I can last.
You ate like the tiniest bit ever though.
Yeah, but still. It's like your tongue's bleeding, but really bad.
Or bleeding with heat.
Yeah.
Do you know the heat sensation is just your taste buds dying?
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
It's on my lips and everything.
Do you want to get some milk or are you good?
I'm good.
You good?
Mhm.
Nice.